Alright, welcome back to DK Garage. You might notice we've got some new cars on the channel. You'll slowly see those start to appear as we modify them, but today we're doing a custom 3-inch intake on Liam's XR5. So it's pretty much stock for the moment, but we're just hoping to get a bit more induction noise and supporting mods for the first stage before we get it tuned. So yeah, we'll jump straight into it and we'll come back to you. So to begin this install, Liam is just going to remove the intake piping, the map, and all the way hopefully down to the turbo. The turbo's at the back of the engine, so it's going to be a bit of a pain, but yeah, we'll let him do all the hard work and then we'll come in for the important stuff because we know what we're doing. So we'll just do a quick time lapse and we'll get back to you when the intake system's removed.
Ever since the day that you went away.
What are you doing in here, mate?
Trying to fix Carl's clutch, and I need something to fit this hole, and I can't find anything. So
yeah, so the connecting rod that connects the clutch pedal to the master cylinder, it broke, and I wasn't even getting up it. It was literally just casually driving, and I broke it. But yeah, so this is another car that you'll be seeing on the channel soon, a GTIR, and Dylan bought a new G6E, so we've got big things planned for all the cars, but yeah. Alright, so we've gotten the intake pipe off, and I think it's a 2.5 inch. If you look at that, you compare the difference. Hopefully we should get a bit more air flowing through and a bit more induction noise, but I think we might just measure it up and then cut some pieces of pipe to see where we'll route it. So if you come here and look down the back of it, there isn't the most room, so we'll have to be very, very smart about how we run it. Yeah, we'll come back to you when we figure something out.
we've just cut off our first piece of 3-inch piping. Just to go, this is basically the nearest piece to the turbo to dump on here. It's a little bit of stuff left over, so I'm going to file that out because that's not what you want in your turbo. But yeah, we'll continue and get back to you. I'm just filing it because if any of these bits go into the turbo, because that's also the closest part,
you're going to
not going to have a good time. There's been a lot of problems lately with in the Falcon community where I think Plasma Man has had a lot of their intake pipes with like big bits of metal hanging on the inside from their welds.
Really? And they'd snap off, do they, and end up in the intake?
Well, they haven't had any issues with it blowing up yet, but a lot of people have pulled them apart and seen it and been like, yeah, like
could have ended badly.
Really bad.
Yeah.
And Plasma Man's like one of the big companies for those cars too, so it's sort of.
How they respond?
I haven't seen them actually respond to it yet.
Yeah.
It just means they're not using enough gas when they're welding, because it's sort of supposed to protect it from doing that. It looks like your arm's so broke.
Actually bad. That's just what my wrist looked like when I broke it though.
Yeah, falling off the tire swing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
That's literally what it looked like.
How long ago was that?
Oh, that was ages ago. He was doing no hands. No, you wouldn't have known us. It was in primary
Oh,
school.
okay. Well, you're a nobody.
Was. Alright, so we've just got the first bit of pipe cut to length.
Tightening these up and then down there. Is that an under the car job?
Don't do it now.
It's an under the car job.
No, I'm not going there. Just you might want it tight enough just to hold this piece on as well.
Yeah, so that's. Really, do you have torque? Like a ratchet? So did you bring your
Tom has Torx keys, doesn't he?
Your dad's got
Ratchet spanners?
Ratchet spanners, yeah.
Your dad's got them in the car.
Yeah, but where's the car?
Oh, I thought your dad was here.
No,
Oh shit.
he's at work.
You did.
Whoops.
Yeah, well, I can probably still do it hand time with just like holding it.
Well, we're only mocking it up for now, so you won't need it.
How big do you reckon it is?
8 or 10.
Oh, you're gonna have the problem that the screw bit is gonna be too long. So when you put that on
Yeah,
the...
no, that's literally the perfect length for it though. So you're not gonna do it here. And I've got the back off it anyway.
Oh.
Do you have the torch up there?
Yes.
I'll put it like the wrong way so you can't get to the bolt.
Yeah. Yeah, so drop it down there.
Yeah. I'm just trying to actually get it on. Do the old Mighty Commons thing when they're like, oh, you just gotta fit it in.
Oh, they just talk dirty?
Right, maybe take this coupler off. Then you pull it up and give me the clamp.
Is it too tight? Too loose?
No,
Have it tighter.
There's just stuff around it.
Yeah.
Maybe lubricate it.
Just spit on it.
Yeah.
So give me the trust that on this. Pull it up.
Alright, so these two are just going to fiddle around for a bit, but we'll come back when we actually got it on.
Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
More roll. You want to nick it. Because then it gives us a little more play pushed back, not so close to this. And so we get more of an angle coming up. See if we can tip that a little more.
So what's the problem,
I
boys?
reckon
You worry about hitting the AC lines?
we're not even hitting the AC lines. If we kind of,
Did you take the light off still?
if we can, I don't know, it just, if we can just kind of get it like coming over here and then just straight into here.
Yeah, so where's it going to end up? Just in that space
It's going
there?
to end up here with the pod sitting there. We're going to relocate the ECU to the front,
Yep.
but it's going to sit like that.
Okay.
As long as we can get some lengths. Because we still got to put the map in as well. Yeah, map's a bit easy though. Even if we just literally connect the map to here, as long as the map can just go straight in there. Because this will still sit. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Alright. So what are you guys doing now? Cutting the length or measuring the length?
We'll measure a length out.
Alright, well I'll put it up here again.
Do you want to cut that coupler or do you want to leave it for now?
I reckon we'll leave it for now, and if we need, because you can't go back.
Where's the old tape measure?
My heart is my heart. My heart is yours.
It's not shiny enough, it's not bright enough to see the sparkle.
Yeah. whole length, are you? What? For where?
We can always cut it shorter, but that's the length that we need for now.
So at this stage we're just cutting down the pipe to go out and let me show them. To go over the motor. But a bit of a trial and error process here, so
No, it's just
Alright, so we're going to take a bit off.
maybe better.
Sweet.
you know, it'd be easy if you took that thing off.
Yeah, especially the nickel.
What's going on now? Where are you at? Since these guys are so slack at filming.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Is it
Today
still...
on DL Garage.
Whoa.
What are we doing, man?
Oh, well, we're just kind of looking at where we can center this, so we can get it. And then kind of,
That's alright, that's a good height, isn't it?
yeah, it's a good
Yeah.
height, and we just got to kind of get like a little. So comes
45.
over, comes over a little bit, and then so we can get it to sit here, and then turn it and to come underneath. Because there's no point really trying to
Go there.
go over it, because then it's just gonna sit on top. Always bleeding. I'm working hard.
Working hard, hardly working.
Bit from touching the metal, eh?
Okay. Alright, so you guys are just going to cut that silicon 90 down
Yeah.
and see what you can do. Okay, so we've been a bit slack with filming, but we just got a quick update for you. The boys have managed to cut the 2 pieces of pipe that we need and filed them down. This joiner here was on the stock intake, so we're just going to reuse that because that allows it to flex and we can kind of bend it because it's a bit of a weird angle. So that, do you have another piece of pipe for here? Cut?
No, that's where the math's going.
Oh, so the math, where is it?
No, it's up on the.
The math is going to go here.
Oh, that's just for the.
That will be off it.
Okay, so we'll take that off like that. Math will go there. We'll get another 90 in there, and then the pod will end up here, hopefully, like that. And then we'll relocate the ECU to here. And then all we've got to do is work out how to mount it. So we're thinking about getting some plumber's like pipe hanger, and then attaching it to here, and then putting it up on the sway bar or to the back of the firewall just to, minimise movement. But yeah, that's how we're going so far. So we're almost done. We did a quick start before and it sounds pretty good. So yeah, we'll keep powering along and we'll get back to you.
Alright, so we're now done with our custom intake for Liam's XR5, as you can see. We'll probably end up colour coding it a little bit more, polishing these up, maybe getting some more blue pipes. As well as the intake, we also blocked off this pipe here, which allows the car to dose a little bit, so it'll sound cool. But yeah, we're going to take it for a drive and see how this thing rips.